Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate. So I'm here today with another wonderful video. How I use cucumbers in my poultry farm to boost egg production. And we are going to look at the benefits and then how often should you give cucumbers to your birds. So the first thing we are going to look at is the benefits. Cucumbers helps in supplementing feed in our poultry farms. Here are some of the benefits of cucumbers to our birds. Number one benefit is that it contains vitamin K and vitamin C and also potassium, which is good for immune functioning of our birds. And also it has low calories, of which is believed that if you give it to your birds, it will help maintain on the good weight of our birds, especially our layer chicken. Another benefit is that it's also good in keeping our birds hydrated, especially during the hot weather, since it contains around 95% of water. It also helps in cooling down our birds during the hot weather. That is why it's more better to be given in the afternoon. When they are relaxing, after feeding them in the morning, before giving them their evening feed, you serve them cucumbers in the afternoon to cool them down. So this is how we are going to prepare our cucumbers for our birds. So what you need to do is to get your cucumbers. I believe you can get them anywhere. If you did not plant, which means you are going to get it from the market. Get your cucumbers, wash them well, and then you chop them into smaller pieces. You chop them into smaller pieces so that they will be able to feed on it. So where I am now, cucumbers are a bit costly. But you can get them anywhere. You can get them in the markets all the time. You can get cucumbers all the time, be it rainy season or dry season. So this is how you are going to chop the cucumbers. You can see these ones are very big. So this is the type of species that we have here. While some have smaller ones. It all serve the same purpose in our beds, in our poultry farms. So this is the best way of giving them. Cucumbers are so good. So good in egg production. Cucumbers will make your birds to lay faster. It will make your birds to even lay longer. The cucumbers will not allow your birds to start molting early. You know, molting is a natural thing. And I said early. Some birds used to molt very early. Sorry about the noise. So this is how we are going to chop the cucumbers. This is how you are going to chop the cucumbers into little pieces. Into little pieces. So we are going to serve them the cucumbers. And we will be going there to serve them. Right now it's about 1 a.m. Very hot afternoon. Look at them pecking on it. They are feeding on the cucumbers. So if you have watched to this very point, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe and join this great family. So how often do you give cucumbers to your birds? You can give them whenever you have it. At any time, cucumbers are not too much for them. You can give them once in a day in the afternoon. So thank you so much for watching. Please kindly subscribe, like and share.